bounds.
Hey you guys, it is DJ here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a review of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Walt Disney World. So if you were here for the Kyber Crystal tutorial, please skip to the end of the video. If you're an animal jammer, please stay tuned for a giveaway at the end of the video. So without further ado, let's get into the review. So of course the first thing we did was head in and try to get into Smuggler's Run. We also signed up for the lightsabers, hoping that we would make it in time for both. Hi. Because this was last week's preview, the line was super short for Smuggler's Run. It was only about 20 minutes. The line was themed very well, and I would like to guarantee that this is not how fast the line is probably going to go once the land opens for real, which is probably the day I'm posting this. Wow, crazy. But the line moved very fast at the preview, which was really nice.
Group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without...
Loading bay before the ride.
You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move out, my friends.
So the footage I just showed you is where you get shown what your job is. There were 2 pilots, 2 gunners, 2 engineers. Me and Dolphin were pilots. It was really fun. And I sadly cannot film on the ride, but take my word for it when I say it was amazing and definitely one of my favorite rides. So we made it out of Smuggler's Run just in time to get in for our lightsaber experience. Here is my blue waiting card, and here we go.
Twin of another, a new Jedi, one who started off as a scrapper just like us gatherers. What is her name? Do you know her name? Rey, correct. Now, what Rey is leading is the spark of hope that many have been waiting for, and that is why you are here today. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. It only takes a...
Don't you love it when the video cuts off right in the middle of a sentence? Also, I chose green for my Kyber Crystal. So since we had some spare time, we decided to go on the Millennium Falcon again, and this time the line was even quicker than before, which is really surprising. So after round 2 on the Millennium Falcon, we decided to head over to the cantina, and we just made it in. Me and Dolphin both got boba drinks. My mom got an adult fizzy tom-tom drink or something, and my dad got a cool like set thing, and it came with souvenir cups, which was really neat. The thing about the cantina is they do not serve much food. It's only like a couple things. So we went over to the other restaurant, and it's just like quick service, and we really enjoyed the food. So after eating, of course, we had to go and check out some of the shops. I got some cool Kyber crystals and the pork plushie, which I love. And we walked through all 5, I believe there are, of the stores. And we walked through the droid one. We did not do the experience, but if you did, please let me know how you liked it. After shopping, we decided to go on the Millennium Falcon one last time, and we found Chewbacca! Checking out the Millennium Falcon. Looks like somebody blasted a big hole in the Millennium Falcon. What's cool about the characters in Star Wars Land is they just walk around. So after the 3rd round on the Millennium Falcon, it was about time we take our leave, because saying that this was a preview event, we only got a certain block of time in Star Wars Land. Now today the land actually opened, and I've been seeing that the line has gone already up to 150 minutes on average about, so definitely thankful we got this preview. So if you're here to watch the Kyber Crystal, here we go! Hello Jedi who have made it this far into the video. I'm now going to be showing you how to swap Kyber crystals and give you a bit more information on the lightsaber experience. Let's get into it. So there are 4 different, I'm going to go with themes for your lightsaber that you can choose, which will determine what your hilt looks like. Hilt or handle. If you do not know what hilt means, I didn't know until like a week ago. And anyway, here are the different themes you can choose. They have pictures at the reservation stand where you will be choosing this, don't worry. And when you choose it, you will get a pin. I got protection and defense. So I got this pin and created this hilt, and the other option for the hilt was quite similar. So I chose green as my main Kyber Crystal, but I ended up purchasing the other colors at the Jedi shop later. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to swap the crystals. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pop out your blade. So you're going to grab it, push down lightly, and then twist to the left. Then you will hear a noise and it will eject. Then all you want to do is pull it out and set it aside for later. Next we're going to unscrew the emitters and other pieces. So screwing the top one to the left, just slightly, and the bottom one to the right. And these don't have to come all the way off. Just keep doing that for the other big parts as well. Now, in that center area where your switch is, I had a cool bar right here like that. I pulled those apart. I'm not sure if they have it for the other types as well, but it worked for me. So this is very important. See that red square right there? It matches up to the one on the lightsaber. So you're going to want to remember that for later. That blue matches blue and red matches red. It's very important. Now, just pop out our Kyber Crystal, and there we go. So out of my 4 Kyber Crystal colors, I still hadn't tried blue on my lightsaber for some reason, so I decided to go with that as the color I would show you. These cases are very cool, and they're nice for keeping your Kyber Crystal safe. So I'm just going to unscrew that and pop out the blue Kyber Crystal. So now all we have to do is reassemble our lightsaber, first putting in the Kyber Crystal. The first couple of times, it's a bit tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy as pie. I just stuck that right in there, and once you hear that sound and it's glowing a bit, then it means it's secure. Just spin it around a little bit like I just did to make sure it's in there nice and safe. Now, see those squares there, the red and the blue? It's very important. Take the blue and match it up with the other blue square. Pushing the top piece out of the way is pretty important. But if those 2 squares do not match up with each other, your hilt will not go back together. So I advise you to please take this advice. Then push those together and screw back the, hilt pieces. Screwing the bottom ones to the left and the top ones to the right. So now we have our hilt back together. So now I'm just going to take my blade and lightly put it in first until I feel where it fits in, because it will only fit in one way. Then push it down and turn it to the right. Now you can turn on your lightsaber and enjoy your new blade color. And I just stored my green Kyber Crystal in the blue case so it would be safe. So, all of you Animal Jammers who managed to watch the entire video, please comment down below your username, your status, and what you thought was the coolest part about Star Wars Land. Let me know what you guys thought of the video, and if you'd like to see more of these, or if you'd like me to just keep it to Animal Jam. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a like, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And check out my Instagram page at DJPenguinJammer4HA. Thanks again, and keep on jamming.